Today, I'm going to tell you about 5 skills that will never stop paying you and the free courses you can enroll in so you can learn them. Why these particular skills? Well, in an ever-changing world, these skills are here to stay, and you will be an asset wherever you work. They are transferable. Skill 1 is negotiations. You have to learn to create win-win situations no matter where you go in your professional and personal life. These skills are essential, trust me. Skill 2 is personal finance. You definitely need this to learn how to build and control wealth and make that fuck you money. Course 3 is prompt engineering. It's in high demand, high pay, enough said. Skill 4 is artificial intelligence, AI. If you want to embrace the future and stay relevant, you want to take this course. And skill 5 is leadership communication. Grab the bull by the horns, inspire, motivate, and lead. Now I will list the courses over here. And as always, I hope this video helps someone.